In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting from an email invitation. Whether you're new to virtual meetings or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily connect with your colleagues or friends. Let's begin by opening the email that contains your Microsoft Teams meeting invitation. This is usually sent by the meeting organizer and should appear in your inbox just like any other email. Once you have the email open in front of you, look for the link that says Join Microsoft Teams Meeting. This link is your gateway to the meeting, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking the link, you'll be directed to Microsoft Teams. If you already have the Teams app installed on your computer, it might automatically open up there. However, if you prefer, you can also choose to join using the web version. Both options work perfectly fine, so feel free to choose whichever one you're more comfortable with. Next, you might be prompted to enter your display name. This is the name that will appear to others in the meeting, so make sure it's something recognizable. This step is especially important if you don't have a Teams account or if you're joining as a guest. Once you've entered your name, you may need to allow Microsoft Teams to access your microphone and camera. This is crucial for participating in the meeting effectively, especially if you plan on speaking or using video. If a pop-up appears asking for these permissions, simply click Allow. With these steps completed, you're almost ready to join the meeting. The final step is to click the Join Now button. This button is usually located at the bottom of the screen, and clicking it will officially bring you into the meeting where you can interact with all the participants. And there you have it. You've successfully joined a Microsoft Teams meeting from an email invitation. I hope this tutorial has helped make the process clear and straightforward. If you ever need to join another meeting, just follow these same steps and you'll be ready to go in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.